Hi everybody, my name is Lauren Salzman. I am the product line manager for acrylic and polycarbonate products at Grimco. Today I want to talk about digital print acrylic and how to make your prints really pop, just like you were using a colored translucent instead of printing. So we have two different cabinets. Over here on my left, we have a 7328 white acrylic, and it has a clear print on top of it. So clear vinyl, and then a digital print on top of that vinyl. It's awesome, a very sellable piece, but you will notice the black over here is a little bit more matte than, let's say, what you would get on this side, where it's a little bit more glossy. The colors also are a little bit more muted or washed out, so you can tell in the blues and then the pinks that it's not quite as vibrant, or it doesn't pop as much as what you would get on this side. On this side, instead of using the 7328 white acrylic, we used the Acrylites Clear Digitally Printable Acrylic. So we have clear acrylic, we printed on it with UV ink, and then behind it, to really make it pop, we printed on white vinyl and reverse printed that and butted it up with the digital print to really give it that pop. And you can tell with the acrylic first, you really get a glossy, wet, shiny look as opposed to a more matted look. Another really nice touch to it as well is that this gives it a longer life. Since the vinyl and the print is not on the front of the face, the acrylic's actually protecting it.